Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Google Drive. The "you are not signed in" error. This pesky problem can pop up in 2025 just like it did in previous years, often due to login glitches, browser issues, or account settings. Don't worry. I'm going to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that should get you back to accessing your files in no time. First things first, let's make sure you're actually signed in. Open your web browser and head to drive.google.com. If you're not logged in, enter your Google account credentials. Sometimes, a simple refresh or re-login does the trick. If that doesn't work, try signing out completely and then signing back in. Go to your Google account settings, select Sign Out, and log in again with a strong internet connection. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as these can cause conflicts. In Chrome, for example, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. This step often resolves temporary glitches. Another quick fix is to open an incognito window, press Ctrl+Shift+N in Chrome, and try accessing Google Drive there. If it works in incognito, a browser extension might be the culprit, so disable any ad blockers or VPN extensions temporarily. If you're using the Google Drive app on your phone or computer, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store, check for updates, and install them. Also, double-check your account permissions. Sometimes, multi-factor authentication or device approvals might be blocking access. Go to your Google account security settings and review any recent activity or approvals needed. Lastly, if none of these work, try using a different browser or device to isolate the problem. There you have it. Easy steps to banish that "not signed in" error for good. If you follow these, you should be syncing and sharing files smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.